From the Tennessee Valley Weather Channel, this is your weather tonight.
All right, rain shifting on out of the area, and there may be an opportunity for a few hours of breaks in the cloud cover, but I'm thinking cloud cover eases back into the area during the early morning. Temperatures dropping out of the 50s into the 40s now, and then I think we get down to a range between the upper 30s to the lower 40s for morning lows toward daybreak. Now, Futurecast overdoing the clearing a little bit. That means it's going to have more radiational cooling than what may be reality. So it's likely 3-4 degrees cooler than what the temperatures will actually be. I don't think it's widespread mid to upper 30s. I think it's widespread upper 30s to lower 40s across the area by daybreak, but we have lowered the temperatures, especially on the Tennessee side, to get down to the upper 30s overnight, just to account for everything. The idea is that we will be a little cooler, especially compared to last night when we stayed in the mid 50s for most of the overnight. Now, clouds hang around for the morning hours of your Saturday, but they do start to break up midday in the afternoon. Sunshine allows us to warm into the mid upper 50s. There still may be an isolated 60, however, over northwest Alabama. And then mostly clear skies going into tomorrow night that will allow us to drop down into the lower 40s. But a southerly wind starts to mix up the lower atmosphere tomorrow night. That keeps us from getting too cool with the clear skies in place. We're warmer starting as early as Sunday with the southwesterly winds and partly cloudy to mostly sunny skies into the mid to upper 60s. And then the 70s start in earnest area-wide as we head Monday and likely a large part of next week. GFS is probably too far south with the frontal boundary here. I think it will be near our area, but we're just on to the warm side of it Tuesday and Wednesday. Still some shower chances, but I think we're stuck into the warmer area in the lower 70s for a large part of next week before maybe slightly temporarily easing back to the upper 60s, still well above average for Friday, before probably flipping back into the lower 70s toward next Saturday. Just looking at the long-range data, that could still be adjusted some, but for how it looks right now. So rain moving on out of here. For most of us, it's already gone. Clouds hanging tough overnight, getting down to a range of the upper 30s and lower 40s for morning lows, mid to upper 50s tomorrow afternoon with a limited sunshine. But yes, there will be a little at times. The more sun you get, the closer to the upper 50s to near 60 you will be. The less sun, the closer to the mid 50s, just how it would naturally work. More sunshine on Sunday and a southerly wind. We're in the mid to upper 60s, knocking on the door of 70. Everybody into the lower 70s going into next week. A few showers around Tuesday and Wednesday. Front waffles closer to the area with the upper level disturbance coming through, so we may have a few thunderstorms on Thursday. We'll watch just in case, but I don't see any obvious signs of a severe storm threat. Front waffles near the area Friday, so upper 60s there with a chance of showers. And then I think the front comes back north toward next Saturday, and we're probably into the 70s again for next Saturday there. There's look your latest 7-day forecast. Chase Wilson is in the Weather Center through the weekend with all your latest local weather.